Wonder where Bol Bachchan is doing Bol Bachchan nowadays? We have the answer. हमारे बोल बच्चन अभिषेक और उनके चाइल्डहुड बडी उदय चोपड़ा are up to something interesting क्योंकि उदय चोपड़ा is now a graphic novelist. Well yes, after producing and acting in films, उदय ने अब graphic novels create करना शुरू किया है called Viomics. और अपने इस वेंचर की शुरुआत की है उन्होंने यशराज की सलमान खान स्टारर फिल्म एक था टाइगर से. Characters featuring Salman Khan will be featured in the graphic novels. और उनके इस इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट करने पहुंचे हैं अभिषेक बच्चन भी. इनफैक्ट अभिषेक एंड उदय भी फीचर करते हैं इन दिस मैगजीन विद देयर फिल्म धूम. बट अभिषेक की ये अपीयरेंस रही फुल ऑफ ऑकवर्ड मोमेंट्स. टेक अ लुक. ऑकवर्ड मोमेंट नंबर 1. धूम 3 की कास्ट के बारे में उठे सवाल और उनसे पूछा गया कि जैसे कटरीना, आमिर और उदय अपनी फिटनेस को लेकर इतनी प्रिपरेशंस कर रहे हैं, अभिषेक अपनी फिटनेस रिजीम के बारे में क्या कर रहे हैं. जैसे ही पूछा गया ये सवाल, he had no answers.
Doom 3, I mean, Amir has been, really working hard at his look. Is there something special that you guys have been doing? I mean, there's word that you probably will have a, new look yourself, Abhishek. Is that the new look?
That's the new version. It didn't work.
Awkward moment number 2. When Abhishek was asked about the rumor whether he was doing the Hindi remake of the South Indian blockbuster Eega, Abhishek initially didn't know what is Eega.
Last question. It's away from the comic. Are you doing the remake of Yeager by any chance?
Of who?
Yeager.
Huh?
Ega.
Yeager?
Yeager.
Thanks. Now you're saying I look like a fly. No.
Awkward moment number 3. When Uday Chopra was talking about his ideal woman, he kept staring at Abhishek Bachchan while saying that. Abhishek got awkward and replied in a funny manner.
एक्चुअली दया प्रोशु का जो कैरेक्टर है इसके साथ बहुत से इसके दोस्त आएंगे नेक्स्ट इश्यूज में और उसमें एक फीमेल कैरेक्टर भी होगी जो मेरी आइडियल वुमन है जो मैं जब बचपन में मैंने
Don't look at me.
Awkward moment number 4. When Abhishek Bachchan was asked about what does he have to say about the recent hot topic about stars paying from their own pocket for their staff, Abhishek had no answers as he was clueless about the entire issue.
Who is going to be paying for it? I have not understood this.
There's a big debate that an actor's staff in terms of his makeup man, his security, the burden, the money will be paid not by the producer but the actor himself. It's in the papers today.
Okay.
So, are you aware of it?
No.
Well, लगता है Abhishek doesn't believe in being updated with current issues. Seems like he doesn't have the time to read the newspapers to keep himself well versed with what's happening in your world, your country or even your industry. चलिए इवेंट तो था उदय चोपड़ा के लेटेस्ट वेंचर के लॉन्च का, बट यहाँ हवा निकल गई अभिषेक बच्चन की. For आरती दानी, Zoom, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Like Zoom TV on Facebook and get the latest spicy updates from Bollywood.